Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by prepping the egg and workspace. Have your blown or foam egg, paints, brushes, glue, and cardstock ready. Once done, mark a center line from top to bottom to orient features and cut a small 1/2 opening at the base if hollow. This gives access to reinforce the interior. You'll support the shell with a temporary cradle. Use clay or rolled tape and smooth any ragged edges gently with fine sandpaper so the surface is ready for shaping and painting. Now you build the penguin's anatomy. Reinforce the inside with lightweight papier-mâché or diluted PVA so the shell won't crack under attachments. Next, cut flippers and a small triangular beak from thin cardstock or foam. Attach with spot glue and hold until set. Once structural pieces are secure, prime the egg with a thin coat of gesso. That helps paint adhere and evens color. After primer dries, block paint the black back and white belly. Use multiple thin coats for smooth coverage and drying between layers. You finish by adding character. Paint small round eyes, a yellow-orange beak, and a pale egg held at the front or glued as a separate prop. Add highlights and thin shadows to sell volume. Blot excess paint and refine lines with a fine brush. Once satisfied, seal everything with a thin matte varnish to protect the surface. If you see cracks or paint lift, fill with thin filler or diluted gesso, sand smooth, reprime that spot, and repaint only the affected area so the repair blends seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.